Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see by the title of this video, today I am going to be stuffing our stimulus check money. We are going to be stuffing a total of $2,400 because there's 4 people in our household, myself, my husband, my daughter, and my son, and each person did get $600. So today I am going to be stuffing a few sinking funds and showing you guys which categories I'm going to be stuffing. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope that you continue to watch the content that I put out. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay you guys, so I am going to be stuffing a total of 10 sinking fund categories. Now if you saw my first sinking fund video, you saw this 6-ring binder right here. And so I do have a few sinking funds in here, but then I also have this sinking fund binder as well because this one is kind of full. And then I also added some extra sinking fund categories, and so that's why I needed another binder. This binder is linked in the description box below just in case you guys would like to purchase. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with this sinking fund binder first. And so this one right here says Shaniqua, and this is my daughter. And so how I created this, I just used some stickers that I ordered from Amazon, which will be linked in the description box below. And then I also just used some washi tape that I'm hoping doesn't come off. So far it's doing good. And so this is the first envelope that we are going to be stuffing. And whenever my kids get money, whenever anyone gives them money, we give them all of their money. So they will be getting their whole $600. So Shaniqua is going to get $600. And then right here is my little cash tracker sheet. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it has category, it has goal, date, description, if you added money or took away money, and then pretty much the ending balance. And so today she is just going to be getting $600 in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out this cash sheet really quick. So the category is Shaniqua's savings. The goal, I'm not going to put anything for goal because I don't have a specific goal for their savings this year in 2020. I'm just going to put in money whenever I can, so I don't have a goal, so I'm just going to leave that blank. And then today is the 19th. And then for the description, I'm also going to leave that blank as well. And then right here, I am adding $600. So we're going to go ahead and put that. And then that brings the balance to $600. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Shaniqua's envelope is getting $600 today. And then next we do have my son. He is also going to be getting $600. So let me just go ahead and fill out his sheet. Oh, I actually forgot to add my daughter's cash tracking sheet back in here. So let me go ahead and put that in there. And then my son, he is also getting $600. Okay, and then we're going to do quantity savings, UNTIS savings. And then again, I'm going to leave goal blank. Today is the 19th. Description is going to be blank. And then we're going to be adding $600, and that brings the balance to $600. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put quantity $600. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6. So let's go ahead and double check this really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 600. So Qantas Jr. has his $600. And then next we have Mommy, which is myself. And so this is just my own individual savings. I don't have a goal for this one either. And so we're gonna put Mommy's savings. No goal. Today is the 19th. We're putting, and then today I'm going to be stuffing my savings with $260. So we're gonna say plus 260, and that will bring the balance to 260. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. So $260 is going inside of my envelope today. Okay, and then same thing for my husband's envelope. My husband is getting $260 as well. So we're gonna put Daddy's savings. The 19th. 260. It's gonna bring the balance to 260. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, and 60. So $260 for my husband's savings. And then vacation. This is actually a new category that I decided to go ahead and add. So vacation, we are going to be stocking vacation today with $300. So category is vacation. Don't have a goal for vacation. I'm just going to be stuffing it. And then we are going to be stuffing it with $300. And the balance is going to be $300. Okay, so let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. Okay, so $300 for vacation. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for this sinking fund binder. And so now we are going to go ahead and move over to this one. So in this one right here, the first category that we are going to be stuffing is going to be Valentine's Day. Now, the goal for Valentine's Day is $200. That's the budget that we have for Valentine's Day this year. So I decided to go ahead and just top this on off. So on the 11th, we did go ahead and stock this envelope with $100. And so since this is extra money, I'm going to go ahead and just stock this with its last $100, making it $200. Then that means that we have hit our goal of $200. So I'm going to go ahead and just stock this with 200. So 20, 40, 60, 81, and then with the 100 that we already had, that makes this $200. So Valentine's Day is completely done. We have reached our goal, so plus $100, and then balance, put it at $200. So our goal is complete. We can go ahead and start our Valentine's Day shopping. And then the next category is going to be birthday. So with birthday, we have a total of $1,250, and today we are going to be stuffing birthday with, I think, $100. Yeah, so we're going to be stuffing birthday with $100 today. And so that should put us at $1,350, because we are currently at $1,250. So this $100 should put us at $1,350. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. And so let's just go ahead and count this, guys, just to double check. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000, 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 350. So $1,350. So this is correct. And then the next category that we're going to be stuffing is going to be Christmas. So Christmas today is going to be getting $40. And we are currently at $167. So today is the 19th. We're going to go ahead and add $40. So we have 20 and 40. So let's see where that puts us. Okay, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 6, 7. So $207 in Christmas right now. And our goal for Christmas is $2,000. So right now we are at 207. And then the next sinking fund we're going to be stuffing is going to be giveaway. So with the giveaway, you guys, if you saw my community tab this morning, I had plans to do a 4K giveaway since I just recently hit 4,000 subscribers. I had planned to do a 4K giveaway, but I actually changed my mind because I really want to do it at 5K, because 5,000 subscribers is what I have been working my hardest towards. So when I do reach 5,000 subscribers, it's going to be a really nice giveaway, you guys. So I need to make sure that my giveaway budget is completely stocked. So we currently have $20 in giveaway, and today I am going to be stocking it with $60. So the 19th, we are going to be adding $60. And so let's see where that puts us. 20, 40, and 60 plus this 20. So giveaway currently has 20, 40, 60, 80. So $80 in giveaway. And then the very last sinking fund that we're going to be stuffing is going to be car maintenance. So car maintenance currently has $100, and today we are going to be stuffing it with $80. So the 19th, we're going to be adding $80. And so let's see where that puts us. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and then 100. Car maintenance now has $180. Okay. So that is all for my cash envelope stimulus check sinking fund stuffing, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave me some comments down in the comment section below. If you all enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and thumbs up this video, share it with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.